In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete hidden iPhone applications. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. It may happen to you while you are swiping over your home screen and there you are not able to find some apps that are actually currently installed on your device. It may happen when you remove the app from the home screen. You can hold down at any app, then hit on remove app and then hit on remove from home screen. This action removes app from home screen, but it is still installed on the device. And now let me show you how you can simply delete those apps. So all you have to do is swipe over to the very right to open up app library, and here just hit there at search. Now there you can use search to find some specific app, or you can just scroll down to see the list of all your apps that are currently installed on your device. And let's say I want to remove some app, and now all I have to do is just hold down on apps icon. It gives me two different options, and the first is delete app. I can just hit there, hit at delete, and now that app has just been completely removed from my device. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.